Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day today. Today is the 20th of July, Wednesday 2021. I'm sorry guys, I haven't uploaded yesterday analysis review because I was enjoying my Eid holiday yesterday with my family. So I did analysis for my traders, but I haven't traded. But today we had amazing volatility and beautiful analysis and beautiful trades. And most of my traders bank over 100 pips today guys. And let me share with you guys how I analyze and help my traders to bank those amazing pips through live intraday analysis. Let's dig into the system and let me share with you guys how I did today. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis update review, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Let's dig into straight to the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. All right, so Euro USD, we just had a New York session breakout along. Some of the traders are still holding it long on Euro USD. I just finished my trading day. 4 o'clock is my time to finish. If you look at the 4-hour guys, you can see here price keep respecting the support level, and eventually we were expecting my price might going to reverse, and at the New York session we had this breakout and some of the traders are still holding long trade here. We'll let you know how that trade is gonna go. I'm expecting at least price might gonna hit the previous high. So let's see if the price is gonna break this resistance, then probably it's going to hit this level. We'll let you know tomorrow this trade update. But if you look at the intraday analysis, we were looking this consolidation breakout. As you can see, all the time price hasn't broken. I keep updating analysis, but price hasn't broken. The price only broken at the New York session. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That's what we're looking in 4-hour. And if you look at this, this is the analysis was in the yesterday. We had this triangle pattern breakout and a pullback short trade here. That was the one the price came back here from here. You can see it from here to here. And this morning, as you can see here, the price developed another pattern which we were looking here, which is nicely broken at the New York session. But I also updated that analysis instantly at the New York session. You can see here, just to give my traders, I said to my traders, don't trade until the price gonna come out from this sideways market, even though we have the range opportunity, but that's not my cup of tea. But I explained to my trader, look for this breakout. Then we look at in the 4-hour, you can see here price respected here 3 times, and that gives us the confidence and confirmation. Safest way to look for this breakout, which is in intraday. You can see here the price broken the previous high, and as soon as the price hit this 200 EMA, and that's what we explained to trader, you can consider banking few pips or move your stop loss at the break even. And to be honest, most of my traders are banked beautiful pips and still holding that long trade here. As you can see right now, price also broken, and after the breakout price retested. As long as the momentum is bullish, we're probably be looking another pullback here, and the final target would be the next fib channel, which is going to be look like this one, orange fib channel. All right, so let's move on to the pound dollar. We had a quite interesting trades on pound dollar long, and if you look at here in 4-hour, you can see here today we were expecting price. I said to my trader, if the price is going to respect 136,000 level, then probably going to be taking a long trade here. You can see here price nicely respected at that level, and we were long from this morning, and beautiful long trade here. The target would be if the price is going to hit which is 37,300 level, which is the weekly resistance level. So let's see here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how I analyze market from this in intraday. If you look at the intraday, let me share with you guys here. Okay, this is the analysis I did at the New York, the Asian session, channel breakout, and the most safest trade as explained to my trader after the breakout. You can see here we have a pullback short trade here. As soon as the price hit 136,000 level, which is you can see here in 4-hour, that's what we explained to trader. It's time to consider tightening your stop loss or move your stop loss at the break even. Let's see if the price is going to break. If not, then wait for the another confirmation. So what happened after that at the morning session, I did this analysis and explained to my trader, look for this level breakout. If the price gonna break that 36,000 in 4-hour, that's what I explained to trader, then look for short. If the price gonna break, then and consider long trade here, then we keep taking a pullbacks. That's what happened here. You can see here price nicely respected 2-3 times and broken. After the breakout, we have another beautiful pullback. As you can see here, this was the first target. Price nicely hit, bank beautiful pips. All right, so at the New York session, that's what I explained to trader, because you can see here price develop up channel. But as explained to my trader, you can see here up channel, explained to my trader, if the price is going to break this previous high, which is 136.415 level, then we should taking a long trade here or look for another pullback, as explained in my analysis. Look pullback here, or you can see here mention here to break out, because the price is broken the previous high, which explained to you in 4 hour. You can see here price nicely broken and nicely hit profit target, bank beautiful pips. And some of the traders are still holding long on pound dollar. So guys, you can see here we have really enjoyed long on pound dollar based on the 4 hour price action, and we analyze entries and exit in intraday. That's what exactly we do every single day. All right, so another trade of the day, which is the dollar CAD. You can see here such a beautiful, really, most of the traders are still enjoying it, to be honest, guys. And let me explain to you in 4 hour, and then I'll show you my intraday analysis. Okay, so you can see here price refused many times, and that's what we explained to trader. Look for this breakout, which is previously broken last night. And you can see here yesterday, I think at the New York session, we have this breakout, and I said to my trader, look for short at least this level. So you can see here we have breakout, bank beautiful pips, and then I explained to my trader, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, we have this breakout, and after that we look pullback. And I explained to trader, as long as we don't see any sign of rejection, price might gonna hit 26,000 level, or at least this level. You can see here, and then we should be taking. And you can see here what a such a beautiful short trade on dollar CAD. Now I'm going to show you the intraday analysis, how I analyze these entries in intraday based on the 4 hour price action. And let me share with you guys. And if you see here, I'm going to share you from yesterday because I missed yesterday. So okay, so all right, so yesterday, if you look at, we have yesterday morning, the London morning session. I just did analysis quickly. We have pretty straightforward pullback short trade here, few pippies. And at the New York session yesterday, I did analysis for my traders. They will keep bugging me to, find the opportunities. So I did this analysis, which is pretty straightforward. I explained to trader, look for this breakout. As you can see here, price broken, momentum developed bearish, and this was the breakout at this level in 4 hour. You can see here, and let me share with you. That's the breakout in intraday. And afterwards, I said to my traders, guys, just keep enjoying peeping short trade on pound dollar CAD. We can see a one pullback, this one, and this one. And then just before the New York session closed, I said to trader, it's time to bank some profits. You can see here yesterday, we were short from here until here. You can see that's the journey. So bank beautiful pips. So then at the London morning session today, you can see here at that sign, as soon as I explained to my trader to bank some profit, you can see here at this level, price nicely reverse. And as always, explain to trader, look for this pullback short trade here. If the price is going to, you can see here, price nicely respected. The best thing is, if you look at here, price develop a double top here in intraday at this level. And safest trade would be the breakout, the previous low, but more safest trade would be if the price is going to break this wedge, which is nicely broken, and short trade here. And that's what I explained to trader, as long as the momentum is bearish, keep taking a pullbacks. Then I announced another pullback at the New York session. I also announced another breakout. Look here, price broken, because this pullback is this candle. You can see here, price came up and developed another pullback. Beautiful. Afterward, I said to my trader, as long as you see the green candle, just keep enjoying pullback short trade here. You can see it's such a beautiful, as soon as the price hit to the first target, that's what I explained to trader, it's time to consider enjoying pipping, or you can carry on holding it short trade until the price gonna hit this level, which is, you can see, support level. So most of the traders bank profit, and most of the traders are still holding that short trade, guys. As you can see that we analyze market in 4 hour in depth, define the market bias and the sentiment, and then we look at in intraday to valid technical entry based on this intraday system. That's why we enjoying pipping every single day, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. Let me share with you a couple of we had a beautiful trades on dollar yen and pound yen. Yen was weak today, so let me show you. We were long on pound yen from this morning, from here to here. We have taken all these pullbacks from here, and let me explain to you how we did it. First of all, let me explain to you about the 4 hour, what's happened here. If you look at here, especially look at this candle, the previous price action, we have this bullish engulfing candle that's give us a sign, and you can see here price previously respected, so we have this breakout, and after the breakout we are looking at pullback long here. Yeah, so that's gonna give us that, and that's what we decided. And we had this price today, this morning, as soon as the price broken, and explain to trader, just keep taking a pullback long trade here. More likely, if the price gonna break and retest, you can see here price broken and retest in 4 hour, and our target was at this level, so which is about to hit now. Okay, so how I analyze market in the intraday, let me share with you guys the intraday analysis so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so this is the analysis. Okay, right, let me share with you from, yeah, this is the yesterday analysis at this level. You can see here, that's the level, the price broken, false breakout, price broken and retest, beautiful long trade here. That's the long trade here. And at the New York session yesterday, you can see here price came down, shoot down. This is the price came down. But at the New York session, I did an analysis. I explained to my trader, if the price is going to false breakout, you can see here price reverse it, then we should be looking along, but we need a valid technical entry, and the first priority always be the pullback. We can see here price broken this one. We're looking a short trade here. As you can see here, we didn't see green candle, red candle, the price broken, and that's what I explained to trader. Price retest, and you can see here price retest, came back and retest this level. Price failed to break this orange EMA, that give us the confirmation. Look at the bottom, momentum was developing bullish. Beautiful long trade here from yesterday. We have this one, price came back and long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the first target, we announced to bank some profit on euro yen. Okay, so this morning, as you can see, the price was above the 200 EMA. We have the price came back here, and explained to my trader, look for another breakout, and if the price is going to break the previous low, which is I explained to my trader, if the price gonna break, then short trade here, otherwise we should be taking a long trade here. So what happened here, the price broken, and the best thing we did here, you can see here at the support, let me move this one. If you look at the support level, price developed a double bottom, and as soon as the price break, because we were looking in 4 hour at that time, so we have beautiful breakout long trade, and that's what we explained to trader. Momentum is bullish based on the 4 hour. The previous price action is telling us rejection, and bull is in control, so keep taking a pullback. As long as the momentum is bullish, we have this breakout, pullback, we have another pullback. You can see here another wedge breakout. As soon as the price is to the final target above this level, that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So we had a beautiful long trade on euro yen. We also had a beautiful long trade on dollar yen. Most of the trades, guys, we were long this morning, long. You can see here, this is the analysis I did. Let me share with you quickly. Euro yen, dollar yen, guys. So you can see here dollar yen. This is the analysis I did this morning. Look for pullback at this level, and you can see here price nicely developed pullback, another pullback, it's nicely hit to the profit target, and then my profit target was around 200 EMA, price nicely hitting it. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoy all this analysis, guys. The most important thing, as I keep telling you guys, you should watch those analysis in the real time, and banking those pips in real time, and developing your trading skill in real time. That's the most interesting part of it, because that's why you're going to develop your trading skill in real time. Basically, that's what our main objectives. So once you develop your trading skill and if you produce consistent result in this platform, then definitely we can help you to get funded from prop firms. And if you are interested how I help my traders through live intraday analysis through this platform in real time, most welcome. I'm offering free one-to-one consultation, which is completely free. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. Or even if you are experienced trader and would like to enjoy more pipping, most welcome. As you have seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy pipping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Until next time, all the best, guys.